Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this highlight muscles edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to freeze frame the clip here. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. Then I'm going to copy and paste that twice. Then I'm going to select this red and I'm just going to add it on top. Then I'm just going to go to video, go to mask, and I'll select the rectangle one, and I'm just going to select the area that I want to highlight. Like maybe here. And I'm just going to feather that out. Go back to basic and select overlay. You can adjust the opacity if you'd like to. On this one, go to remove background and select auto removal. And on this one, go to adjustments, turn down the saturation. You're also going to go to curves and we're going to add a highlight like that. Then we're going to add in a keyframe here and then a keyframe here. And then on the first one, make sure the keyframe is at 0. Then here as well, we're going to add a keyframe at 100, and at the end, you're going to add the keyframe to a 0. Okay, so next you are going to want to select this one, and we're going to add in a fade in and a fade out animation to it, like so. Then to add the flickering effect, it's a little bit tedious to do. You're just going to basically split it in a few clips like I'm doing right now, or you can use this instead. So it's a little bit quicker to split. Doesn't have to be exact, but you're just going to want to select stuff and delete. If it's too small, you can adjust it again later. But that should be it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!